Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you improve your financial situation. Today, we're talking about money-saving hacks that you need to try today. We all want to save more money, but it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've compiled a list of easy and effective money-saving hacks that anyone can try. So, let's get started. First up, cancel subscriptions that you don't use or need. We all have those monthly subscriptions that we forget about, but they can add up quickly. Take a look at your bank statements and cancel any subscriptions that you're not using. Next, use coupons and discount codes. Before making any purchase, search online for coupons and discount codes. There are many websites that offer discounts on everyday purchases. Third, shop secondhand. Secondhand shopping is not only eco-friendly, but it can also save you a lot of money. Look for thrift stores, consignment shops, or online marketplaces. You can find great deals on clothing, furniture, and even electronics. Fifth, negotiate your bills. Don't be afraid to negotiate bills such as cable, internet, or phone bills. Call your provider and ask for a better deal or switch to a different provider altogether. You could potentially save hundreds of dollars a year just by negotiating your bills. Sixth, use cashback credit cards. If you're responsible with credit cards, consider using a cashback credit card for your purchases. You can earn cash back on everyday purchases, which can add up over time. Seventh, plan your meals. Meals planning can save you money by reducing food waste and preventing impulse purchases. Plan out your meals for the week, make grocery list, and stick to it. 8. DIY home repairs. Before calling a professional for home repairs, try doing it yourself. There are many online tutorials and resources that can guide you through simple repair, such as fixing a leaky faucet or unclogging a drain. 9th, use energy-efficient appliances. Upgrading to energy-efficient appliances can save you money on your monthly energy bills. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which indicates that they meet energy efficiency guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency. And last but not least, track your spending. This is one of the most important money-saving hacks. By tracking your spending, you'll know exactly where your money is going and can identify areas where you can cut back. Thanks for watching our video on 9 money-saving hacks you need to try today. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to start saving more money. Remember, it's important to be intentional with your spending and make conscious choice to achieve your financial goals. If you have any other money-saving hacks that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. See you in the next video.